How to change keyboard shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve, go to the top menu, click on DaVinci Resolve and select Keyboard Customization. This will open the Keyboard Shortcuts editor. Next, you will see all existing shortcuts organized by category. You can search for a specific command using the search bar or browse to the categories to find the shortcut you want to change. Once you find the command, click on it, then press the new key or key combination you want to assign. If the shortcut is already in use, DaVinci Resolve will warn you, so you can decide whether to overwrite it or choose a different combination. After customizing your shortcuts, click on the three dots and select Save as New Preset to save your layout with a custom name. This is useful if you want to switch between different shortcut setups for different projects or workflows. If you want to switch back to the default shortcut, simply click the drop-down at the top and select DaVinci Resolve. You can then edit any shortcut as you wish and click Save to apply changes. Finally, close the editor and start using your new shortcuts right away to speed up your editing. And that's it. Now you know how to change keyboard shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.